Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the E-Lynx LED bulbs. Inside this Super Saver pack, you will find 3 pieces of the E-Lynx LED bulbs. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. These LED bulbs are daylight LED bulbs. They are very bright white LED lights that produce a nice calming effect. They have a wattage of 15 watts and emit 1,350 lumens of light. They are ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and anywhere in your home. Guys, let's test these LED bulbs. The lifespan of these LED bulbs is 15,000 hours. 50 times longer life than incandescent bulbs, while saving up to 80% energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. These LED bulbs operate on an AC supply, delivering any input voltage between 220 and 240 voltages, and at a frequency between 50 and 60 Hz. Please like, comment, and subscribe.